In this video, I will show you how to create a custom card with the button aligned at the very bottom using Elementor Flexbox. To start, let's add a container. This container will house all the card items that we will be creating. Let's add a new container inside. This will be the card item container. Inside this item container, I'm going to add another container that will handle both the image and the title. Next, let's add a button. This button should be a sibling or at the same level as the container, so I'm going to move it out but keep it below the container. I'm going to make some minor changes to the button, such as changing the text color. Inside this container, let's add the image. Set its width to about 300 pixels. As you notice, the changes in width didn't respond automatically, so you might need to click around on the other elements to refresh the changes. I'm also going to add a 20 pixel margin to the bottom of the image. Next, let's add the heading title. Change the font size to about 38 pixels and add some bottom margin. Now, let's duplicate this item container and create 3 copies. It looks like the image width isn't reflecting again. Let's change the width of the images and click around to refresh the changes. Next, let's make some changes to the titles so their lengths are unique compared to the other card items. Now, select the parent container. Then, in the direction property, change the value to row horizontal. This will arrange all the card items in one row. Next, in the same container, set the align items property to stretch so that all the card item containers will have the same height. Finally, for each item container, set the justify content option to space between so that the container and the button will have space between them, depending on the height of the item container. One last change. Let's try adding a lengthy title to see the difference. Thank you for watching my video.